Hi, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make peri chicken mandi. So for that, take one sliced onion and chili and some garlic and a pinch of salt and add one sliced tomato. Add water, then boil it. Now change that into a jar and add chicken stock, then blend it well. Now take 2 kg chicken, then add half of it, then mix it. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar, then again mix it well. Add oil and spices, then add one sliced onion and keep that until it becomes brown color. And now add remaining half into it and add 2 kg golden mandi rice, then mix it well. Now, fry that chicken. You can fry chicken in pan or air fryer. If you are frying in air fryer, you should keep chicken in 200 degrees for 15 minutes and double tap them. Now add hot water, then mix it. Add 3 pieces of chicken stock. Now our fried chicken is ready. Add that chicken into rice. And keep charcoal and add butter into charcoal in 1 cup and keep it in the rice and close it. Now our peri chicken mandi is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment your